Hey everyone, welcome to today's session. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and beginner-friendly way to lose weight, yoga might be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore how yoga can help you burn calories, boost metabolism, and tone your body all while improving flexibility and reducing stress. Asterisk yoga isn't just about stretching or relaxation. It can be a powerful tool for weight loss. Certain yoga poses activate your core, increase heart rate, and help burn fat. Over time, the key is consistency and mindful movement. Asterisk pose 1. Downward dog to plank flow. This move engages your core, strengthens your arms, and tones your entire body. Start in a downward dog, shift forward into a plank, hold for a second, and repeat for 30 seconds. Asterisk pose 2. Chair pose Akadasana. This is a fantastic lower body workout. Stand with feet together, bend your knees, and lower your hips as if sitting in an invisible chair. Hold for 30 seconds to fire up your legs and core. Asterisk pose 3. Boat pose Navasana. Great for engaging your core. Sit down, lift your legs, and balance on your sitting bones. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds to strengthen your abs and improve stability. Asterisk these simple poses, when done consistently, can help you burn calories and build lean muscle. Yoga isn't just about physical fitness. It also helps with mental clarity and stress relief, making your weight loss journey more sustainable. Asterisk thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly yoga tips. See you in the next session. Stay active and stay positive.